Now this is the Nikon P300. It's quite an advanced camera for such a small device. One of its most impressive features is its lens. It has an f1.8 aperture lens, so that will allow a lot of light through to the sensor, making it good for shooting in low light conditions. And it will also give you some nice depth of field when shooting, so you can take a portrait photo perhaps and really blur the background for a dramatic effect. It's got a 12 megapixel CMOS sensor and a 4.2 optical zoom. Now that zoom begins at 24mm and extends to 109mm at its tele setting. Now this camera offers full manual control of all your exposure settings. It also shoots HD video, that's full HD at 1080p resolution. And it can shoot slow motion films as well. So it's able to capture video at 120 frames per second, so you can really slow it down in the edit. Now that won't be at full HD resolution. It's probably more like VGA quality video. This camera supports CEC. Now what's CEC? Well, this is a technology that we've often seen on TVs and Blu-ray players, whereby you plug the device into your TV and you can control everything through the single remote control. Well, that's possible on this. If you plug this camera into your TV over an HDMI connection, well, there's a standard CEC that will allow you to flick through the photos taken on this camera and the video clips through your TV's remote control. Now the P300 has a 3-inch screen on the rear, and that offers 920,000 dots of resolution, which is pretty high by today's standard, so when you're viewing your photos on the back, they should look pretty detailed. The P300 also offers you a panorama mode. Now we've seen this on a number of other compact digital cameras recently. What you do with it is simply hold down the shutter as you sweep your hand across the plane, and then you can take either a 180 or a 360 degrees photo that the camera will stitch together from a number of shots taken as you sweep. Now the P300 is going to launch in March. It's going to be available for about £300, and when it launches, we'll be sure to buy one and put it through its paces in our labs.